Today we're making crowd-pleasing unstuffed peppers in a cheesy skillet. Simple, hearty, and ready in under 30 minutes.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
To start, you'll need 1 to 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I'm using 1.46 pounds to be exact. Before heading to the stove, mince 3 garlic cloves and chop a small bush of cilantro. You'll also need to chop about half an onion. I'm using this handy chopper to speed things up for me. I picked up a 3-pack of multicolored bell peppers, but you can use any colors you like. I just like my dish colorful. You can find a link to this tool and other items in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. Shred your own cheese. I'm using Cheddar and Colby Jack. Cheddar and mozzarella works too. Now don't use any pre-shredded cheese. It won't melt as smoothly. I'm shredding and adding it all to a large Ziploc bag so I can save leftovers. And don't forget to date it. In a large pan, add your ground beef. You want to break it up and brown it. Drain any grease when it's had a good browning. Now add your onions, mix and cook for about a minute. Next, add the bell peppers and mix for another minute. Stir in your garlic and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. For spices, add 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon chili powder, and 3 slices of jalapeno for a little kick. If you like heat, add more. Season with salt and pepper to your taste. Add cilantro, just save a small amount for garnish later. Stir and add about 1 to 1.5 cups of beef broth. I'm doing 1.5 today. Bring to a simmer, then cover and cook on low for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add a generous layer of cheese. This part is up to you. Top as much as you like. Cover and cook another 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. I like mine extra cheesy and gooey. Plate over a bed of white rice for a comforting base, or you can use cauliflower rice for a low-carb option. Now garnish with a little more cilantro. Now take a look at this delicious, easy weeknight meal. This dish also makes perfect leftovers.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.